looks like this. Down there is old swimming pool. So once I'm done with the work, I will dive down there to make myself chill. Damn. Dr. Absela. In new building, and this building name is Tipapa Wellington Central, and the weather looks a bit dodgy today. Check out the sky first. That side looks black, this side looks a little bit clear. Bit windy. Ooh, I'm feeling cool. And let me show you guys the view first. Check out the, what the heck, bro? It's a bit windy, that's why. But if the sun is shining, it will look a perfect view. But anyway, we are ready to do the work. The work is building was 3 of us gonna work here, me, John, and then Ryan from Philippines. So without any delay, let's start the work. Let's go. So let me explain you today's work. So from here we'll be going downside. Ryan is dropping his rope so that we can go down from here. This is his brand new rope. This rope will cost like this rope will cost like $3 million. So he's dropping his rope down. $3 million rope. Can you imagine? We're dropping this rope from here. 3 of us gonna go down from here. We're gonna descend down from this rope and the first roof to second. And once we land on the second roof, the actual working site is down there. We're gonna set up our rope and start doing work on downside. First rigging, and we'll go down there, and after that second rigging. From second rigging we'll start doing our work. Let's go. show you my setup, my rope setup. This is my rope setup. Why hang down there? Why hang down there? Because I need to do a rope transfer today. So 2 anchor setup, 2 rope setup, and we are ready. I am ready to go. Need to put a protector down there on both the rope. Yeah, I need to do a rope transfer today. So let me show you guys my today's drop. How does it looks from here? From here it looks like this. Down there is all swimming pool. So once I'm done with the work, I will dive down there to make myself chill. That's it. And I need to do a rope transfer from here to that rope. That's it. This is the view for my today's drop. Let's do this. Ready. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. I did not bring my gloves today. What the heck?